Hey guys, at Overclockers, we're here outside the Fnatic Bunkr in Shoreditch, London, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our store. It's an esports concept store, kind of the first of its kind, and we really wanted to do this space as a way to show off esports in the best possible light, and also because, you know, we're big in gaming ourselves and esports, and obviously this is our first entry into a kind of retail space, and super happy to be on this street, so come on inside. So first up, we have the kind of orange entrance, which we tried to do something really cool to draw people in because we don't really have a retail entrance, but you know we've got a lot going on. So we're going to start up as we go inside. Over here we have the pro area. So this is where we basically show off our pro wear. So the first thing is like, yes, we're an esports team, and so you have some of our gear. You've got our shirts, our jerseys. Our jackets, just really get a feel that this is a pro esports team. Next up is our dual area. So this area is actually kind of our new headset. So we actually have like the different varieties of sounds. So you have the Counter-Strike sounds in there, League of Legends sounds in there, and music over here. And actually, this is all one headset. So I'll give you a little demonstration later about how to build it. But let's move on to get the rest of the setup. Here we've got our keyboard setup. So you actually have the three different types of switches: the brown, the blues, and the reds. This is our Rush keyboard. We're super excited to show it off this way, and it's really something we're trying to do so uniquely. So it's not just a space which it's actually shown in a way that, okay, this is a gaming keyboard, but it looks cool, right? So we also have the clutch mouse. This is our newest mouse, and you'll see here that we've got our packaging on display. This is a special type of packaging, and actually, we also have time to carry. So if it's a kind of little message there, it's your time when you pick this up. But this is our newest mouse, and we're really excited about it. It's a bit larger form factor. We then have the Flick mouse, which is slightly smaller but ambidextrous in shape, although it does have buttons on the left-hand side. Both of them are using the Pixart sensor, a bunch of our pro players are using them. All of our pro players are using the Rush, so it's the really high-quality stuff for our gamers. Over here, I'm just going to turn this down. Just turn that down a little bit so you can maybe hear me better now. So what we have over here is a sort of apparel section. This is basically our lifestyle. Fnatic is about really bringing the brand and the feeling of esports outside of esports, and also making esports a little bit cooler if possible. By giving a chance of different fashion and style. So here's some of our apparel. Obviously, some of it's merch. We have like line T-shirts, but we also have like one of my favorites is probably this really cool, really comfy jumper, as well as some of the latest hoodies designs that we've got. So that kind of gives you an overview. We also have like the Reckless pad on display. This is one of our newest mouse pads, a desktop pad. We're going to be doing a lot more of that. We're going to be doing Olaf pad, Mushi pad. So we're going to have a lot of our players, as well as potentially other people, with having their limited edition collaborations with us as well. And then you've got our hard mouse pad, which is the Boost. This is the Focus desktop. We actually have Zotac in here today. Zotac are showing off their mini PC, which is pretty exciting. It's a tiny PC, but they're taking over the space for a couple of days. Now over here, this is kind of if you want to take a step back. We actually have a DJ set up here, so we're going to be doing some events and parties here. We had the Zotac Press Day. We had last week our League of Legends launch party here with the whole team. We streamed it on Twitch for 25,000 people, so that was super awesome. But up here, we're going to be having live streams. So today, for example, there's an Overwatch tournament. We'll most likely have on the projector the tournament, so we're going to have people come in, watch the games, etc. We've also got our trophy at a gaming area set up behind there where people can play. Then right over here in the corner, this is actually, yesterday we had 2 angry gamers, some Twitch streamers in, and we're actually going to be using this kind of area, which ViewSonic have powered, to be like our live streaming area. So we're going to invite streamers. So if you're a streamer, come along, and they can stream from Bunkr for a day or 2 days, and it'll be broadcast live from inside the space. Over here, we're going to have a gaming area set up where you can test your games. But then the most important is actually what we find is really interesting is the ESL gaming teams area where you can actually come in and buy your favorite shirts, jersey. your favorite team's jersey. In our case, obviously, you know, we're you don't have to be a Fnatic fan. This is about esports, so we really want to show off what we've got to offer by showing the rest of the teams also in the space, and you can buy it here. Some other stuff, some of our cool like hats, as well as we got the neon mouse pad and the JW Signature Series mouse pad on here. You can also pick up a copy of our book, which is something which is now available on Amazon, etc. And then we have the Monster Fridge, of course, because that's where you're going to get all your sufficient daily source of energy. You know, then we come up to one of the favorite things. Well, obviously you can see there's a couple of people hanging about. Hey guys, but this is the bar where we do events. We have drinks. We have a coffee machine. You know, today Zotac have taken it over, so there's like they've got their you know, different components inside from graphics card and whatnot. And their supercomputer over on the end there, which is like, I'm pretty sure it's powering a NASA satellite right now. But you know, and then we've got the coffee machine. So let's give you a quick demo of some of the stuff. So in the middle here, you've got some other items. So we have the dual headset. So the cool thing about the dual is it's actually 2 headsets within one package. So it's actually modular. I'll give you a quick demonstration, which means a quick mic drop. So what you've got is basically the different cushions. So you unplug the big cushions, and you basically plug in the on-the-road mode. So as you can see, that's like the more lighter version on the road. You know, much easier to like put around your neck or whatnot and go outside. But the cool thing is it's also got a detachable cable. So there's an on-cable mic. And as you can see from this version over here, you've got the gaming setup properly done, which is with the boom mic, etc. So you know, we really tried to do something a little bit different. We collaborated with a DJ headphone manufacturer called III from Denmark to create these. So the sound setup is really great, and we're really happy to have some collaboration with these guys. We're loving it. So and then we've got, you know, some other paraphernalia like hats and beanies and all the stuff for your winter needs. But that's it. Oh, actually, no. I forgot one thing over here. And this is one of the most fun things. This is the HTC Vive area. So inside of here, you know, we have the ability to try out the HTC Vive setup. So we've got, and today actually we've got the Zotac plugged into it. So normally it's an MSI setup with an MSI laptop, but the Zotac backpack is actually in here. And you can actually, we've had all weekend long and over the week, constant Vive, you know, VR experiences, and it's super fun. I mean, like, you just get lost in a crazy world. But that's it. We're in the orange corner. Thanks for checking out the bunker, and no doubt, please come down to London, 28 Red Church Street, and I'll see you soon.